Hello everyone. This is 4 standards English grammar and we are going to check out chapter number 20 simple past tense. It was Harsha's birthday yesterday. Let's hear from him what happened on that day. I woke up early. My parents wished me happy birthday. They gave me many gifts. I did not know that my parents had bought so many gifts, so many presents for me. I wondered, when did they buy all the gifts? In the evening, my friends came to my birthday party. My grandparents also came and they bought a cycle for me. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple past tense. We use them to express actions that took place some time ago. In the simple past tense, we use the past tense form of verbs. For examples, here are some verbs. These are the past tense form. Wake, woke, wish, wished, write, wrote, come, came, bring, brought. So this way, in each verb we have to make it, or we have to write down in simple past tense form. Okay, past tense form. Now A number, change the verbs into simple past tense. Exercise number A, change the verbs into simple past tense and rewrite the sentences. First number, I like ice cream. So answer is, first number answer, I liked ice cream. Second number, I walk to school. Second number answer, I walked to school. Third number, Sonali buys flowers for her mother. Third number answer, Sonali bought flowers for her mother. Fourth number, Jyoti rides a bicycle. Fourth number answer, Jyoti rode, R-O-D-E, Jyoti rode a bicycle. Fifth number, she writes a letter to her father. Fifth number answer, she wrote, W-R-O-T-E, she wrote a letter to her father. In negative sentences, we use did not plus original form of the verb. For examples, A, she did not eat lunch. B number, she did not go out yesterday. So dear students, in negative sentences, we use did not plus original form of verb. So here in A number, did not eat, original form has came. Third number, B number, she did not go, original form came. Now in questions we put did before the subject and use the original form of the verbs. For example, did they buy all the gifts today? Did they buy all the gifts today? So did plus subject plus original form. Okay, so whenever did will come during that time, we have to use original form of the verb. Buy, go, eat. Okay, so whenever did will come during that time, we have to use original form of the verb. B number, filling the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. First number, I saw, SAW, I saw a beautiful painting in the shop. Second number, I spent, SPENT, I spent my pocket money on books. Third number, Kunal wrote, WROTE, Kunal wrote a letter to his sister who was in Chennai. Fourth number, Neelam came, CAME, Neelam came to return the books. Fifth number, Mrs. Verma taught, TAUGST, taught us English in school. So, what was the question? Filling the blanks with past tense of the verbs in the bracket. So, C. What is the past form of C? Saw, SAW. Spend. So, what is the past tense of the C? Send. Spent, SPENT. Write. What is the past tense of write? WROTE, wrote. Come, came. Teach, taught. C number, make the following sentences negative. First number, the bus reached on time. First number answer, the bus did not reach on time. Second number, Meena called Soma last evening. Second number answer, Meena did not call Soma last evening. Third number, Mrs. Sen taught us music. Third number answer, Mrs. Sen did not teach us music. Fourth number, they want to the doctor immediately. Fourth number answer, they did not go to the doctor immediately. Fourth number again, they went to the doctor immediately. Fourth number answer, they did not go to the doctor immediately. Fifth number, Mona wrote the answer neatly. Fifth number answer, Mona did not write the answer neatly. Now D number, complete the dialogues using the question words given in brackets. For example, I had a sandwich for breakfast. So we have to make question from what? So what did you have for breakfast? First number, now the organizers held the match yesterday. So answer is, when did the organizers hold the match? Again answer, first number, when did the organizers hold the match? Second number, his father dropped him at the bus stand. We have to make question from where. Where did his father dropped him? Where did his father drop him? Second number answer, where did his father drop him? Third number, Mansi called her father because the teacher wanted him The teacher wanted to meet him. Third number answer, why did Mansi call her father? Fourth number, grandfather came to meet Jeet. Fourth number answer, who came to meet Jeet? Fifth number, they travelled to Shimla by car. We have to make question from how. So how did they travel to Shimla? How did they travel to Shimla? Let's revise. The simple past tense talk about actions which took place some time ago. In the simple past tense, we use the past tense form of verbs. So dear students, please write down one time the whole exercise in your notebook or textbook. Thank you.